Mind-brain system, it follows an algorithm whenever a person performs a task or whenever a student appears for an exam. So people or a student with better results use algorithm of better frequency. Just analyze a class. Suppose there is a class of 100 students, and out of those 100 students, one is a student from the top and another is a student from the bottom. So if we analyze externally, teacher is the same, information source is same, mechanism is same, then why the output is different? The output is different because processing is different for all the students, ranging from 1 to 100. So until and unless we are going to train students to optimize their mind brain system, then external training is not going to work, because teacher can work only in a certain way. He can't teach in 100 different styles. He can't teach according to everybody. There is an average frequency at which a teacher works, but students have to train themselves. Then how to optimize their performance using teacher as a source of information or as a trainer itself. So that is why the concept of OST comes into the play. And next is that it's a firm belief that with a scientific, structured and customized mind training program, we can improve the efficiency of a person. We can improve his performance by optimizing, by making him close to his natural frequency. And this is the central concept behind OST. So next thing is that any complex situation or exam tests the skills of the mind-brain system. And the mind-brain system of successful people or students uses complex and strong algorithms, whereas mind-brain system of unsuccessful people use simple and weak algorithms. So that is the concept of different results. Now here is the concept that how is OST beneficial to you? So just take the example of studies. It's a process of processing information in the mind-brain system. We receive information through the environment or books, teachers, online, offline, anything, and the mind-brain system processes this information with the help of a complex mechanism using information processed in emotions or energy. I call them as the neural patterns, and the neural patterns are important. This is the outcome of the study. For example, if we talk about JEE NEET, there are about let's say 2000 neural patterns in all the subjects. There are about 6000 A4 sizes pages, about 100 chapters. An exam comes from let's say 25 to 30 pages. So that means out of 200 pages that you learn, only one page is of significant as per performance in exam is concerned. So there has to be a very accurate and precise retention of the information that you study. So that is the most complex and challenging task, because most often students are not able to retain what they studied even yesterday, even 1 hour before, or even 1 day before. While preparing for JEE NEET requires retention of information which you study during at least 2 years. So that explains why it is so complex. So the entire turning point here is the retention, and that retention requires a systematic working and working under optimal performance daily. When you study daily, so daily you have to undergo the optimal performance. Suppose you study 50 pages today. So before going to bed, you must make sure that those 50 pages are able to retain, are able to get transferred to your mind-brain system, and with such an accuracy and precision that you are able to retain every information, every data, every pattern related to those 50 pages as and when needed 1 year or 2 years later. So that is the basic mechanism of working for the competitive exams like JEE and NEET. So here the thing is that how is OST beneficial to you? So OST uses the mind-brain algorithms, and I think it's the mind-brain algorithm which differentiates the different students. So I firmly believe that if the mind-brain algorithms of a students can be optimized or can be made better, certainly he can be improved. His learning efficiency, his outcome can certainly be improved. So OST is about optimizing the mind-brain algorithms of the students so that they can achieve better results and more effectively use their energy and time. So here is the coordination between three things: the brain, the conscious mind and the unconscious mind, and their mutual cooperation make something what is called as a mind brain algorithm. And this process often involves different complex processes